I'm Mildred Garner. I'm a longtime member of North Pointe, and I'm part of the facilities team. And I'm really excited about rebuilding North Pointe, and I'm looking forward to being a part of that. First of all, we need to replace the roof. It has needed to be done for several years, as many of you know. We've experienced some damage, and that will be the priority. As a result of some of our former roof problems and leaking, our structural beams have been compromised. Even though it's not an immediate thing, we need to do some repair there as well. The thing I'm most excited about the foyer is opening up this north wall so that we will have a better, more space and more room for fellowship. In the bathrooms, we're going to be enlarging the ladies' bathroom by removing a wall that is an empty space at the moment. That'll give us a little more room for handicapped equipment. We'll be updating the painting, the cabinets, and the countertops. In the worship center, we have some sound updates, some lighting updates, and some window repair. Also included is the purchase of a van. This would be used to bring people to church. It could also be used for prime-timer events. Part 4 includes some outside repairs. Many of you have noticed that the fascia is rotting. It needs paint, and Part 4 will take care of that. In Part 5, we're looking forward to adding a playground with new equipment for our children, and we'll also be refreshing the gym.
Mildred is right. This is an exciting time to be a part of North Pointe Baptist Church as we look to rebuild the influence in our community, but also rebuild our physical structure here to better serve and reach more people for the Lord. I pray that right now you'll be considering how you and your family will contribute to the ongoing projects that we have here at North Pointe. You've seen them, you've heard a lot about them, and we hope that you're excited as well. God wants to do a great and mighty work, and it's going to take you and me and all of us working together to accomplish God's vision for this place. Thanks again so much for all you've done, all your reaching out, and all God's going to lead you to do in the days ahead.